Hey everyone! If you have an Nvidia card that supports DLSS technology in games, you might notice a watermark in the bottom right corner when DLSS is enabled. DLSS is an awesome tech that boosts your FPS on even older hardware while keeping good image quality. So, while you want to keep DLSS enabled, I'll show you a simple trick to get rid of that watermark in games. There's an open source tool that can help get rid of the DLSS watermark, but we'll actually remove it without using any tools because it's a pretty straightforward method. However, you can definitely give the tool a try since it does the same thing. So, we'll copy this and paste it into our registry editor. You can copy this from our description below, then change the value to 0. Just follow along. I also want to give a shout out to the Reddit users who made this process so much simpler. Now just need to copy this address and paste it in Registry Editor. So you just need to paste the address here. You can simply copy from description below. Paste and press enter. You will be taken to this page. Double-click on DLSS indicator and change value from 400 to 0. This will only turn off DLSS indicator, but your DLSS technology will still be working as expected. If you want to revert the change, just put old value back. Now just close the registry editor and boot up your game. You will no longer see that DLSS watermark in bottom left corner of your screen. Sorry for the plugin, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.